What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video of custom ROM. In this video we'll be covering out Pixel Experience ROM based on Android 12 for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 9 on which currently I am running Pixel Experience ROM based on Android 12. Let's talk about the software information. So here you can see Android version is Android 12 which comes with 5th Feb 2022 security patch. And if you guys aren't aware about Pixel Experience ROM, so basically it's one of the most demanded ROM in custom ROM community, because it comes with few pixel goodies. Though this ROM doesn't come with much of customization options, but stability and the battery part is really great on this ROM. And guys, before moving ahead, let's keep a like target of 400 likes on this video, and we still have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, so it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Now let's take a quick look at the benchmark scores, what we got on this custom ROM. Starting off with Geekbench application. So here single core had scored 1082 and multi-core had scored 3332. With Antutu benchmark application, device scored 7,86,779 and pretty good scores on my OnePlus 9. Now let's clear out all the basic functionalities. So there are no issues related to calling, Wi-Fi calling works fine, including VoLTE services. I did not even notice any kind of problem using Bluetooth devices. For example, here you can see I'm using Wingspan 500 with my OnePlus 9. By default, we get Pixel Launcher pre-installed. Here you won't have any kind of issues related to Monet. Dark theme works fine. We have themed icon. Also, when it comes to wallpapers, here we get to see Bloom wallpapers from Pixel 6 series. And these wallpapers have bit of options to customize, and also these are motion wallpapers. So let's set this wallpaper first. And now if you tilt your device a bit, you'll see motion in the wallpapers. Other things like alert slider have no issues at all. And good thing about this Pixel Experience build is now we have face unlock support, which wasn't on the previous builds of Pixel Experience or any other custom ROMs. So inside the security section, here you can see we have two options. One is face unlock and the second one is fingerprint unlock. And both of them works as expected. So let's unlock the device using face unlock first. And there you can see the unlocking speed. And the same thing goes while unlocking the device using fingerprint unlock. So I personally did not notice any kind of delays unlocking the device using fingerprint unlock or face unlock. And if you are the one who is more into OTT platforms, so there also you guys won't have any kind of issues. So let's open up DRM info application, and if you take a look at security level which says L1, so you won't have any problems watching full HD content on OTT platforms. Along with that, device also passes through safety net check. As you can see here, basic integrity pass, CTS profile match also passes. So again, you can use payment services on this custom ROM without routing. We get to see this basic AOSP camera pre-installed, but anytime you guys can try out different Google camera ports for your OnePlus 9 or 9 Pro, though there are no problems to be seen with the camera module. As said, we don't get to see much of customization options on Pixel Experience ROM, but still you can find stock OnePlus settings in the settings panel on Pixel Experience ROM, where you have more options like mute media volume when your alert slider is set to silent. After that, under display mode, we have auto high brightness. You can make changes between the threshold of auto high brightness. And guys, if you use high brightness mode, I won't recommend you guys to use it for a longer time. That might cause a bit of screen burn on your device. Then we have DC dimming feature, which is basically not present on OxygenOS 12. And another good thing, we also get to see support of Dolby Atmos. And it's a good implementation for people who are into music. Later we have always on display, and that works pretty good. Then from the OnePlus stock settings, you can enable FPS overlay and also can make changes between the position of the same. Off-screen gestures also works as expected. And you might get this error if your device is not unlocked. And guys, initially one thing which I forgot to mention, if you are installing this custom ROM which is Pixel Experience ROM on your OnePlus 9 or 9 Pro, there are possibilities that you might get to see SIM not getting detected. In the network and internet settings, if you don't see your SIM card, then for once just reboot your device and that should fix the issue of SIM not getting detected. Also, charging speed is similar to OxygenOS, and till now battery backup seems to be decent enough, though I'll be testing out this build thoroughly and will update you guys about the first screen on time in the comment section below. We have the gaming dashboard from Android 12, where you get all other options like enabling FPS meter, enabling do not disturb, taking screenshot and also recording your gameplays. So talking about FPS, by default, without making any changes, on Pixel Experience I get to see 90 FPS support in BGMI. The max output is 90 FPS on my OnePlus 9 and this thing lacks on OxygenOS 12. Here you can see the lobby graphics settings which are set to smooth and 90 FPS, and we have the 90 FPS output in Battlegrounds Mobile India. Overall a great ROM, super smooth with no issues found till now, and this ROM can be easily used as daily driver. If you guys aren't happy with the latest OxygenOS 12, for once I would recommend you guys to try out Pixel Experience on your OnePlus 9 or 9 Pro. And if you guys wish to install, here we have the installation guide of Pixel Experience. To install Pixel Experience on your OnePlus 9 series, which means 9 and 9 Pro, first make sure your device bootloader is unlocked, and also make sure your device should be running on OxygenOS 11 latest build before installing Pixel Experience on your device. After that, you will be requiring two files. One is the boot image, which is recovery file, and the second one is ROM file. Along with that, also download platform tools and make sure your PC have proper ADB and fastboot drivers installed. After that, once you place the files inside the platform tool, just open up command prompt by typing cmd in the address bar and type fastboot devices. If you see this serial number, that means your device is properly connected in fast boot mode. And if you don't see this serial number, we have made a dedicated video on fixing ADB and fast boot drivers. You can follow this video which is being displayed on the screen. After that, you need to boot your device into recovery. For that, give the command fastboot flash boot, drag and drop the boot image from the platform tools folder, or if you have ADB installed, then from the ADB folder. Hit enter. Once the recovery image is flashed successfully on your device, use volume keys to navigate to recovery mode. Once you see recovery mode on the top side, make selection using power key. After your device boots into recovery, for once perform factory reset, and before performing make sure you have all your data backed up because this will wipe entire data from your device. After that, go back, go to apply updates, apply from ADB. And now on your PC, give a command ADB sideload, drag and drop the ROM file and hit enter. The installation process might take around 4 to 5 minutes. Once it's done, I'll get back to you guys. After installation process is completed, if successfully completed you won't get any kind of errors, then later just reboot your device to system. And here we have the initial boot animation. Our device successfully booted into system now. You can complete the initial setup and you'll be good to go. So guys, this was a quick look and installation guide of Pixel Experience ROM for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.